जय श्री राम। मैं हूं अक्षय नलौड़े एंड वेलकम टू आवर न्यू एपिसोड ऑन वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी। आप सबके रिव्यूज, कमेंट्स, इंटरेस्ट्स एंड हाई डिमांड पर हम लाए हैं स्पेसिफिक इंसाइट्स ऑन न्यूमरोलॉजिकल नंबर्स। इस एपिसोड में आप इंडिविजुअली आपके नंबर्स के बारे में जान पाएंगे, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, हाइज एंड लोज, हेल्थ एंड डिजीजेस, प्रिकॉशंस टू बी टेकन एंड मच मोर। तो मेक श्योर आप ये एपिसोड पूरा देखें एज इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग because we are back with the ace producer, a skilled numerologist, Mr. Shiv Sagar sir. शिव सागर सर, जय श्री राम। सर, पहले तो आपको बहुत 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 बधाइयाँ ऑन योर न्यू शो काकभूषुंडी रामायण। द शो इज डूइंग रियली गुड, बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज आ रहे हैं और मैं व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहता हूँ, रामायण तो बहुत लोगों ने देखी है, सब ने देखी है, लेकिन काकभूषुंडी रामायण एक ऐसा शो है जो आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखा होगा, क्योंकि दिस शो हैज बॉट अनसुनी कथाएं, द अनटोल्ड स्टोरीज ऑफ रामायण। सर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, ये शो रामायण के बारे में बताता तो है ही, लेकिन रामायण के पास्ट के बारे में भी बताता है। लाइक एवरी कैरेक्टर हैज अ बैक स्टोरी ऑफ इट।
Yeah, so I mean, thank you Akshay. और काकभूषुंडी रामायण को अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है एंड वी हैव बिकॉज मेरे दादाजी ने जो पहली रामायण बनाई थी 1987 में, वो इतनी एपिक है, आइकॉनिक है, तो हम लोग कुछ अलग करना चाह रहे थे बिकॉज वही मतलब ऑफ कोर्स उससे हम लोग ने इंस्पिरेशन जरूर लिया है, बिकॉज वहां तक हम लोग पहुंच नहीं पाएंगे, तो हम लोग एक अलग दिशा में ही निकल गए हैं अनसुनी कहानियों में। तो बैक स्टोरीज ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स हम लोग गए हैं एंड वी हैव रेफर्ड टू मोर देन 350 रामायण्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड उधर से हैंड पिक किए हैं बेस्ट स्टोरीज, अपनी इंडियन ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट करेगी एंड वो स्टोरीज को हम लोग ने ये एक पिरोया है ये रामायण में काकभूषुंडी के थ्रू, काकभूषुंडी सूत्रधार, एंड यू आर लिसनिंग टू काकभूषुंडी एज।
देखना ना भूलिए काकभूषुंडी रामायण, बिकॉज दिस शो विल ब्रिंग अ न्यू एस्पेक्ट टू रामायण जो आप पहले से जानते हैं, और अभी एक नई रामायण जानेंगे जरूर।
Also on the Waves app.
Oh right, on the Waves app.
Waves app, you can watch it on the Waves OTT app.
Exactly.
So at your own convenience of time. Because आजकल सब लोग इतने बिजी हो गए हैं, तो वो सेट टाइमिंग को कभी-कभी जमता नहीं है, तो they can see it on OTT Waves.
OTT, lovely. तो सर, हम एक काफी ब्रेक के बाद we are back with the numerological episodes. तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ फिर से, शिव सागर सर एंड सागर वर्ल्ड प्रोडक्शंस, वी वर बिजी विद द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द शो काकभूषुंडी रामायण जो हमने बात किया। सर, काफी सारे रिव्यूज आए, काफी सारे कमेंट्स आए कि अगला एपिसोड कब आ रहा है। तो वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी अगेन अ न्यू सब्जेक्ट टू द पीपल। तो ये सब्जेक्ट अभी हम फिर से लेकर आए हैं ऑन हाई डिमांड। सो नंबर 2 बेसिकली, नंबर 2 के बारे में हम बात करेंगे, लेकिन मैं आपसे एक पूछना चाहता हूँ, जैसे हमने पहले 2 एपिसोड्स किए,
तो वो 2 एपिसोड्स का एक रिकैप हम चाहेंगे,
ताकि हमारे लिसनर्स, हमारे व्यूअर्स वो जान सके कि व्हाट वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी इज। सो व्हाट ऑल वी स्टडीड अबाउट वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी, कहाँ से शुरुआत की, आपने कैसे पढ़ाई किया, एंड हाउ यू गॉट टू नो अबाउट वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी एंड व्हाट इज वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी।
So honestly, जब हम लोग ने ये स्टार्ट किया, we didn't expect this kind of a response that we'll get, but you know, I really want to thank all the viewers for all their comments and all their messages and phone calls, and people have really appreciated our content. And so that's why we were busy with the shoot of Ramayan and release of Ramayan, इसलिए हम लोग episodes shoot नहीं कर पाए थे। But just to give a recap, Vedic numerology, this what we are doing is based on Harish Johari. He was a mystic, poet, writer, author who left his body in 1999, and he was from Bareilly, originally from Bareilly. And he traveled all over the world giving lectures on numerology, Jyotish, Ayurveda, Tantra, Yantra and all this. He was a teacher. तो basically उनकी परंपरा से मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, because I know a lot of his disciples who are all over the world, in Canada, in Amsterdam, in Belgium, in Africa, in China. So a lot of people all over. So I'm connected with this whole group of people called Sanatan Society. एंड उनके द्वारा मतलब मैंने भी जो वो सीखा है न्यूमरोलॉजी, वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी, तो हम लोग वही परंपरा फॉलो कर रहे हैं, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट कम्स फ्रॉम द एंशिएंट ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ इंडिया एंड इट्स बेसिकली occult science, you can say, which is dealing with numbers and connecting numbers in our day to day life, how they affect us in a day to day life.
सो सर, काफी सारा तो हमने कवर कर लिया था पिछले 2 एपिसोड्स में, तो आज स्पेसिफिकली हम बात करेंगे अबाउट न्यूमरोलॉजिकल नंबर 2. सो नंबर 2 के जो लोग हैं, तो उनके बारे में आप बेसिकली क्या कहना चाहेंगे, उनके पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स के बारे में? हाउ आर दे, उनका पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट क्या है?
So Akshay, number 2 is ruled by Moon, Chandra, and this is like जैसे number 1 हम लोग ने एक वीडियो किया था, that is ruled by Surya, Sun. So that is the king, if you go to say. So similarly, the Moon is the queen. So they are also very royal. They are very private, and they are more like हम लोग ने पिछली बार बात की थी, the left brain and the left hemisphere of the brain and right hemisphere of the brain. So the left side of the body is ruled by Moon, the feminine side. Feminine in the sense ki more intuitive, nurturing, caring, artistic, creative. These are all feminine traits, not like female in the biological sense of the word. And जो अपना right side of the brain है, वो left side of the body को control करता है. तो ये this is ruled by Chandra, by Moon. And one of the other names for Moon is also Som in the Vedas. So Som is coming from all the medicinal qualities that that the Moon has, because the Moon reflects the light of the sun basically, and Moon has some special crystals in the Moon which reflect this light onto the earth. So all the medicinal herbs in Ayurveda, they all grow at night time. Because the daytime light of the sun is too harsh for them to grow. So that's why Moon is connected with a lot of healing, with herbs, with health, with caring, nurturing, and these kind of qualities. And Moon people, number 2 people, that is psychic number 2 and destiny number 2. So psychic number 2 people are who are born on number 2. Second of any month, or 11th and 20th and 29th. These are the 4 types of the psychic number 2. And then destiny number, जैसे हम लोग ने पिछली बार पूरा डिटेल में डिस्कस किया था, if your whole total of your date of birth adds up to number 2, then it's a destiny number 2. So basically we're talking about these group of people who either have a destiny or a psychic number 2. So they are they, like the Moon is going on changing, because Moon अपना हर 28 days the Moon is going through its cycle of ascending Moon, Krishna Paksh and Shukla Paksh जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं. So similarly the number 2 people are always changing in their mind, and in their life also there are a lot of changes, especially if they are women, then they experience even more changes all the time. So they are very quick to change their mind. They don't like to plan a lot. They like to do things very last minute because it suits their nature and their temperament. And they are very caring, very nurturing. They embody the mother aspect of nature, like the motherly aspect of nature. And also like they are very good diplomats. They are very diplomatic because they can very easily make peace between 2 people. They're very peace loving number. It's a very positive, very benefic planet, the Moon. So they like to make peace between, they don't like too much of fighting and all that, so they make a good diplomats.
तो सर आपने कहा psychic number 2 and destiny number 2. So destiny number, if I'm not wrong, is the calculation of your birth date, month and year. तो वो कैलकुलेशन करके अगर नंबर 2 आता है, और साइकिक नंबर अगर मतलब जो बर्थ डेट है वो भी 2 है, तो इन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? अगर नंबर साइकिक नंबर भी 2 है एंड डेस्टिनी नंबर भी 2 है.
So the psychic number is more active from 0 to 35 years of age, and 35 years of age के बाद your destiny number kicks in, and that becomes more active. People born on 2nd of any month, they are the pure number 2, so they would exhibit the qualities of a pure 2, and what some of the qualities we spoke about. And number 11 जो है वो एक बहुत mystical and उसको एक बहुत spiritual number माना जाता है, because 11 number has 2 ones which are making so it is like a master number, and they have some very special abilities. They have very good intuition. They are also said that they can see spirits and ghosts. and also they have very strong leadership qualities because two ones are there. So sometimes they can be little tyrannical also, little very authoritative. So that causes them some relationship problems also, because they can tend to be very aggressive at home and things like that. But overall, their intuition is amazing, and it's considered a very special number in the 2Ka series. The number 11 is a master number. In fact, Amitabh Bachchan is also number 11.
Exactly.
And then you have the number 220, which is the 2 and a 0. So the 0, like we had mentioned before, it gives a lot of struggle. So 20s, 2-0 is not that fortunate. They have to work harder, struggle more, and also they get the fluctuations much more, that the moon is having those fluctuations of the waning and the waxing of the moon. तो वो उनको ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करता है, like full moon पे, new moon पे. Number 2s should in fact not take any major decisions during full moon and new moon. They should try and take decisions during the mid of the moon cycle. जो 14 days की moon cycle है, उसके करीबन बीच में they should take decisions, and they should avoid taking decisions during, if they are situated next to a big water body, because that water can affect the moon in them, and they can take some wrong decisions.
तो सर मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि मून के मूवमेंट की वजह से, जैसे सी लेवल पे हाई टाइड्स लो टाइड्स होते हैं, तो वैसे वो असर पड़ता है ऑन अ पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट आल्सो, ऑन द ट्रेट ऑफ द पर्सन आल्सो.
Yes. So they should actually do some fasting, because see, number 2s tend to have a very delicate health, because it's very frail. They are not very strong. Their health system is not very strong. So they are very sensitive. They can easily be disturbed by things. They are a bit sentimental. They are more emotional. So those that's why they have to be more careful while taking decisions during full moon and new moon, and when they are situated next to a large water body. What they can also do is they can have in the morning, they can have some black pepper with honey. That really helps their system. And also they can have fenugreek, which is your methi. Methi seeds are very good for them. They can have some methi seeds. Also they can have some pearl powder, pearl pishti powder they can have before going to sleep. So that will relax them, because this is also because of their biochemistry in their body that is making them behave in a certain way.
तो ये सारे प्रिकॉशंस नंबर 2s को लाइफ लॉन्ग करने पड़ेंगे.
हाँ, लाइफ लॉन्ग भी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ अगर आपको लगे कि आप थोड़े डिस्टर्ब चल रहे हो, तो यू कैन स्टार्ट इट. इफ you can always monitor your own state of mind. If you feel that you are not coping very well, so and you're getting very moody and very disturbed and imbalanced, so you can start it for a 40 day, एक 40 दिन का, जैसे pearl pishti powder का we recommend a 40 day period. So every day you can have it for 40 days and then stop it.
Okay. And number 29 का क्या?
So 29, because of the 9 in the 2, the 9 part of the 2, the 9 is a warrior and a more fierce and determined and courageous number. So number 2s sometimes lack self-confidence. They are always self-doubting, and that's why they have a lot of plans, but they are not able to execute their plans. So the 9 gives the ability to execute the plans, because 9 is all about execution, hard work, discipline, determination.
Right.
So the 2 and the 9 is in fact the best combination in all the 2s.
And number 9 is ruled by which planet?
By Mars.
By Mars. Okay. So the combination of Moon and Mars is basically favoring each other.
Very, very much favorable, especially for men. If they have a 2 and 9, they tend to be very hardworking, have very strong minds. Another thing about number 2 is that they should regularly meditate, because of this mental fluctuations that they go through. So meditation will help them calm their mind and have more clarity in their vision and what they want to do and how they want to execute their plans. So that is also.
So number 2 उसको basically ये ध्यान में रखना होगा कि moon के fluctuation की वजह से there can be fluctuations in their life also. So ये सारे precautions जो आपने बताया कि क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, like meditation करना चाहिए. So ये उनको एक necessary चीज़ है जो follow करनी चाहिए. Sir, number 2s की है. In 12 months period of time, उनके favorable months कौन से हैं और non favorable months कौन से हैं?
सो मून और चंद्र इज कुछ का हम लोग मानते हैं उसको वृषभ राशि में, जब वो रोहिणी नक्षत्र में आता है। एंड मून का खुद का साइन है कैंसर। So the most favorable time to start something new is between June 20th to July 20th is the best time because उसको house of cancer मानते हैं, so that's the best time they can start something new. And the times that they should avoid is December, Jan and Feb because at that time moon जो है वो Capricorn में रहता है। तो चंद्र को हम लोग नीच कब मानते हैं, मकर राशि में, कैप्रिकॉर्न में। तो दैट टाइम इट इज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, नॉट कंसिडर्ड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। एंड ऑल्सो स्कॉर्पियो में, वृश्चिक राशि में चंद्र को अच्छा नहीं मानते हैं। तो बिटवीन दिसंबर, जैन एंड फेब the number 2 people should avoid starting any new work or going on any major journey. The better time for them is to do it after June 20th.
ओके
That is their more favorable time.
ओके। सो नंबर टूज ना, अभी जो जितना हम समझ पाए हैं कि बहुत सारे फ्लक्चुएशंस बिकॉज ऑफ द मून मूवमेंट अराउंड द अर्थ, जो अगर सी लेवल पे होते हैं तो इंसान के पर्सनालिटी में या उनके लाइफ में भी हो सकते हैं। तो ऐसे सिचुएशंस में नंबर टूज का एक करियर ऑप्शन क्या होना चाहिए, लाइक व्हाट वर्क शुड दे डू एंड व्हाट आर दे स्किल्ड इन?
So see, number twos are very creative. They are very intuitive. So they can be in some creative field like writing है, acting है, कोई भी कला से related field जो है वो number two के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। Also, number two are very good caregivers. So hospitality is very good for them, like caring for others, caring for old people or sick people or even guests in a hospitality setup. Something with food, because water, they are connected with the water element. So food is basically 90% of food consists of water. So food business is very good for them. And somewhere where they are providing service to the other people, like I even mentioned the diplomats, because they are very diplomatic, they are very peace loving, they don't like too much of fighting and all that. So they can be good diplomats in government circles, like making peace between two parties or listening to both the parties' viewpoints and coming to some conclusion. So some kind of a arbitration also they can be very good at, because they are very creative, they are very good at finding solutions, and they have a very good intuition. So any such field where these are the fields that they can excel in.
So number twos basically can get into more creative field also, and अगर diplomats बनना चाहे because they are very peace lovers, right? So sir, अभी आते हैं उनके favorable colors पर, क्योंकि colors भी काफी important होते हैं about when it comes to changing things in life. तो number twos का एक favorable colors कौन से होते हैं?
So most favorable color for number two is white, and pearl का जो color है, and उनका जो gemstone भी है वो pearl है. So white color is very good. They can also keep a white handkerchief in their pocket. And अगर उनको थोड़ा stress लगे तो वो handkerchief निकाल के they can wipe their face or their body and relieve some of their stress. So the lighter colors, white, and these are the colors for moon.
Okay. सर ये जो आपने कलर्स बताए, सो जैसे हमने कहा था कि नंबर 2, नंबर 11, नंबर 20, नंबर 29, तो ये सारे कलर्स ये सिचुएशंस में भी चेंज होते हैं, लाइक अगर कोई नंबर 11 है, नंबर 20 है, नंबर 29 है?
ओवरऑल नंबर इज 2,
हाँ,
बट देन जैसे 11 में सूर्य का थोड़ा इफेक्ट आ जाएगा बिकॉज 2 ones आर देयर. सो 29 में जो है मंगल का इफेक्ट आ जाएगा, सो कलर फॉर मंगल इज रेड. So you can, if you want to be more specific, you can do some combinations of your entire number. Like you can do a white and red combination also. You can do like Surya ka color hai orange, so you can do a white and orange combination like that. But overall, it's still a number 2.
सर ये नंबर 2 बेसिकली मेल्स के लिए एंड फीमेल्स के लिए द ट्रेट्स, द things happening around because of the moon is similar है या मेल फीमेल में कुछ डिफरेंस?
For women is more acceptable in society, whereas for a man being a destiny number 2 and taking on a more supportive role, being like a house husband or just taking care of the household and all might not be looked on favorably from society point of view.
Yeah.
So actually, now destiny number twos make very good spouses. That is for sure. If you want to marry someone, marry a destiny number two.
Okay, because their personality is so
because their
calming.
personality is very calming and very supportive and nurturing and caring, and they love food, and you know that nurture aspect is very strong in them. Also, that the only exception is that when the psychic number two and destiny number two both are two, that is considered very good actually. So
Okay.
those people actually learn. They struggle a lot, but they learn. They are like love to learn new things, and eventually they come out very successful. When you're psychic and destiny, it's a double number.
Double number.
So that is the only time when it's considered good.
Okay.
Otherwise, overall for a number two, destiny is not considered that good in terms of career and shining and radiance and all of those things. But the psychic number two is better for a number two
Number.
than a destiny number.
सर हमने पिछले एपिसोड में एक चीज कवर की थी अबाउट द यंत्रास. तो ऑफ कोर्स नंबर 2 इज रूल्ड बाय मून. तो मून यंत्रा 100%. बट यही सारी प्रिकॉशंस की वजह से या सम एक्स्ट्रा प्रिकॉशंस अगर लेना चाहे कोई, तो व्हाट आर द यंत्रास यू वुड सजेस्ट टू नंबर 2?
So number two का भी यंत्र है, चंद्र का यंत्र है, and it's a very special yantra, and it's a mixture of light blue and white and cream color. So that yantra can be bought, and it can be you can put it up in your altar or your temple, and you can do a prayers to the moon yantra. You can do a jap of the moon का जो मंत्र है उसका आप जाप कर सकते हो रोज, एंड आप मून यंत्र को देख के आप मेडिटेट भी कर सकते हो. दैट विल हेल्प इंक्रीज योर मून, गिव स्ट्रेंथ टू योर मून एंड योर नंबर टू. So those yantras are available on the Sagar World website, where you can buy. We have Peter Welter Frieder's entire collection of moon yantras, which are available to buy, and we sell these very high resolution prints, which can be bought, and we ship them all over the world.
So you can buy these yantras on Sagar World Productions, and you can get it delivered to your home. सर सागर वर्ल्ड वेबसाइट पे वैदिक न्यूमरोलॉजी कैलकुलेटर है, जहाँ पर हम हमारा नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, टाइम वगैरह डाल के एक नंबर आता है विच इज योर नेम नंबर कैलकुलेशन ऑल्सो. तो अगर वो कैलकुलेशन नंबर 2 पर आता है, so then what are the changes, what are the traits of that?
So name number is basically the number which makes you famous after you pass away, also after your death. Also the name stays on much longer after you die. Of famous people,
Yeah.
So name number is important because it should be compatible with your psychic number and your destiny number. So in certain cases we will recommend that you make your name number, if you want to change your name number to 2, or suppose you have a name number 2 and you might want to change your name to some other number. Suppose you, depending on what is the remedy you're looking for. So suppose you want more fame or more to be more known, then a name number 2 is not recommended. So then you might want to add a A, and you might want to change your name number to something else. But it will have to be looked at with your psychic and your destiny and your name. All the three should have a good compatibility between each other. Like for example, name number 2 people can get help from females a lot. Suppose because number 2 is more connected with the feminine side, so they can have more help from females, or there might be some specific purpose why you want to change your name number to 2.
Okay.
Or if it adds up to 2, you might want to change it to something else, depending on what motive you have or what you want to do with your
So
life.
changing of name मतलब हम हमारा पूरा नाम नहीं change कर सकते. We can change the first name.
Yes, you can just add an alphabet, or you can just add a A or a E or a vowel somewhere and change the whole.
Exactly. To change the number basically. To मतलब in terms of अगर कुछ changes लाने हैं in terms of whatever you need in life.
Yes.
उस हिसाब से
उस
we can
हिसाब
add
से
the
we can
alphabets to the
recommend.
name.
Yes.
तो सर आते हैं compatibility पे. नंबर 2 के कंपैटिबिलिटी नंबर्स इन सर्च ऑफ लुकिंग फॉर अ पार्टनर इन लाइफ, अगर वाइफ चाहिए, हस्बैंड चाहिए, तो नंबर 2 के कंपैटिबिलिटी नंबर्स अगर हम लोग नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट करें तो आप कैसे बताएं?
So see, number 2 and number 1, they are both like one is king and one is queen. So they both respect each other, but they might have ego clashes in the long run because both have got their own
Sun and moon.
stature. Yeah, sun and moon. So that way they are friends, but for long-term compatibility, it might not be recommended. Number 2 and 1. Number 2 and 2 again, both it's too much of number 2 energy. So again, is not a very recommended combination, number 2 and 2, because number 2s lack a bit of drive and confidence and execution abilities. They are very good in imagination, dreaming, but the execution skills are so. If you have both are dreamers, then who will execute?
Things are suppressed then.
Yeah, and like they might really get along with each other, but in terms of helping each other, I think it's better if the partners are different from each other. Too much of similarity in partners also gives a problem, you know.
Right.
So sometimes it's better if they are quite different from each other, so they can help each other.
Exactly.
So then number 2 and number 3. So 2 is changing the mind very fast, and number 3 is likes a bit more of discipline and bit more of structure. So that can drive the number 3 bit crazy.
And number 3 is ruled by which planet?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. So Jupiter and Moon combination.
Moon combination. But at the same time, if the number 3 can really help the number 2 in terms of discipline and structure, which the number 2 might be lacking. So it again, but it is not an ideal combination. Number 2 and 3. Number 2 and 4 is little bit better because 4 is also more adaptable to change. 4 can deal with the change of number 2, constantly changing the mind. Yeah, because 4 also is unpredictable and likes to do things very spontaneously, and 2 is very spontaneous. So that way 2 and 4 is a little bit better combination, I would say, and they can help each other. But astrologically they are enemies, 2 and 4, because Moon and Rahu are enemies, because Rahu does the grahan of the Moon and Sun.
Right.
So actually astrologically they are enemies.
Exactly. And also, if I'm not wrong, समुद्र मंथन के टाइम पे जो राहु
Ketu and Sun Moon.
Moon, they are enemies.
Correct,
Basically.
correct. And then they both are also static numbers. They both are even numbers. So like, you know, once we had discussed the odd and even numbers are they are helping each other, like a dynamic and a static number. Like the even numbers are static numbers and the odd numbers are dynamic numbers. So it's good to have a combination of an odd and even number. So in this case, both are even. So it's not that great in that sense.
Male is a number 4 and female is a number 2. Then it's better.
Then number 2 and number 5. So number 2 considers 5 a friend, but 5 doesn't consider 2 a friend.
Oh.
So again, a number 2 person should avoid getting into any business with the number 5 destiny, especially. They should avoid getting into business with that. If the then number 2 and 6. So number 2 and 6 again, the like they are very helpful to each other, and they both appreciate art and beauty. But again, both are both are even numbers. So they are not really helping each other that much. But they can be very romantically linked up, because 6 is very friendly to most numbers. 6 is the universal friend actually. Then 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 actually they are the complete opposite, but the 7s can give good guidance to the 2.
Okay.
Because they 7 actually is a very helpful number to all the numbers. It loves to help everyone. So that way 7 can, but they are again nature wise they are completely different.
Opposite.
Yeah, opposite, completely opposite. Then 2 and 8 again. 2 and 8 again is not a very good combination. Both are even numbers, and 8 people don't like to take help from anyone. They like to do things themselves, and so a 2 cannot do much to help a 8 also, and vice versa. But 2 and 9 is the best combination.
Finally. Finally, number 2 has a good and the best combination.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 9 can execute the dream of a 2, because
Okay.
2 is very imaginative, creative, dreamy, but doesn't know how to execute. So 9 can give it that drive to execute, and that discipline and the hard work to execute her dream.
Okay.
So 2 and 9 is extremely compatible.
तो नंबर 2 आई होप आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो चुके होंगे. अगर आपके कोई और सवाल है, कोई क्वेश्चंस है, कोई डाउट्स है, तो मेक श्योर यू विजिट sagarworld.com. वहां पर न्यूमरोलॉजिकल कैलकुलेटर पे आप आपका नाम, आपका बर्थ डेट, आपका टाइम ऑफ बर्थ ये डालने के बाद आपको आपके नंबर्स मिल जाएंगे एंड ऑल योर डाउट्स एंड क्वेश्चंस विल बी क्लियर. Make sure you visit sagarworld.com and the yantras will be delivered to you at your doorstep.